training has been very impactful. We've learned about how to maintain the HPLC and the GC and how to even troubleshoot.
We expect that at the end of the training, the participants should be able to have a hands-on with the work that's the maintenance aspect. I think GSA has the facility to undertake the hands-on. So I'm expecting that all the participants should be able to have a hands-on so that they can go back to their various institutions and implement it.
We have a lot of our equipment going down or having downtimes. But this training has really informed me that preventive maintenance is one of the key priorities for us to reduce machine downtime.